I'm looking at the marketing fix right now, and you have space. Things aren't compressed. How do you think about space? I mean, it's even in your name, the design space. White space is a concept. How can a non-designer start to grasp it?
I think a lot of people are quite scared of white space. They have a natural desire to fill it, that things don't look gappy. But white space, I think of it as expensive real estate. It really gives a feeling of luxury. It stops people from feeling overwhelmed. So I'm a big advocate of negative space. And I'm designing on a big monitor. So compared to a lot of people, to the consumer, to the end user, it will probably feel more compact. But for me, I love that feeling of space. And I think people shouldn't be afraid of it. I see people who are very tempted. They're like, oh, I need to stick something in that gap, so I'll put a design element. I'd rather use subtle variations in section color to break the page up, but then give lots of space. I've split tested it with clients who are adamant that they want less white space, and there's a much higher bounce rate on the cramped feeling page.